Yo, kamusta? So, wala nang intro-intro. Samahan nyo akong buksan itong in-order kong strings from Shopee. And then, sa unang bukas, ayan, yung product agad yung unang lalabas. So, this is Diodario Easy 910 Light Gauge 1152. So, dalawa yung binili ko para may reserba pa at hindi na paulit-ulit sa pagbili. At ayan siya kung makikita nyo. Sa likod niya nakasulat na Precision Drawn and Tempered. A15 bronze combines the bright tone of vintage A20 alloy with the long-lasting corrosion-resistant qualities of phosphor bronze. Enjoy a natural sounding transition from crisp, clean highs to powerful, vibrant, low-end tone. So this product is made from USA. And buksan na natin. And ayan, andito yung mga description niya. Tone and playability of a guitar strings is determined by its winding shape and material. The acoustic line of uncoated strings offer through of different string winding, each with a unique tone and feel. So, unique tone daw. At ang gusto ko dito is hindi siya maingay every time na kumikis-kis yung daliri natin sa strings. Kasi nagkuha ko siya ng ingay every time na magre-record ako. Pero syempre may tunog pa rin siya kaunti and normal na yun sa gitara. I mean sa strings. No issue basta hindi malakas. As you can see, nakasealed pa siya. And I think legit to kasi hindi basta-basta yung pagkakagawa ng product. Kasi tingnan nyo, nakasealed pa siya for safety. At may nakasulat dito, basahin natin. Authenticity guaranteed. We want you to know if you're not playing with real Diodario strings. Scan the QR code or visit www.diodario.com/player to confirm authenticity. If your code is not valid, follow the site's instruction to receive an authentic set of strings with our compliments. So ayun siya. Ayun yung QR code kung gusto nyo siya i-scan. At ayan, sirayan na uli natin. And ito na finally. Ito na yung strings. So para hindi kayo mahirapan kung alin dyan yung ilalagay ninyo, meron siyang iba't ibang kulay sa dulo ng strings. At yan yung magiging basihan kung pang ilang tuning peg nyo siya ilalagay dahil nakasulat naman dito yung direction. First is color silver, second is purple, third is green, fourth is black, fifth is red, and sixth is brass or parang kulay gold siya.